it's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to do our kids take and make craft kit for this month, which is friendship bracelets. So these are going to be the old school friendship bracelets like I used to make when I was a kid, and all you need is thread. So we have 3 packs of thread in your kit. So you should have enough thread to make quite a few bracelets. You will need some tape and scissors. There are so many designs of bracelets you can make. I'm just going to show you a simple braided design in this video. But if you want to get more complicated, there are lots of designs you can find in books or online. So I encourage you to do that and share your bracelets with friends. Let's get started. Okay, so if you open up your kit, you will see that you have 3 different colors of thread. I had green, yellow, and brown. And then if you want to get out scissors from home and cut strands, 2 strands of each color, and then tape them to a table or a work surface. And you want to leave some room at the end when you tape them to tie them off. We're going to tie knots at the end, and of course you'll want to leave some extra string to tie them onto your hand or your friend's hand or ankle. So we are just going to do a braided design, but we're doubling up the string just to make it a little bit of a thicker bracelet. So if you know how to braid hair, you can do this. If you don't, hopefully I can teach you. So we have the 3 colors, which green is my first color, yellow is my second color, brown is my third color, and we are going to braid them over. So first we're going to put 1 over 2, and then 3 over 1, and then 2 over 3. Ooh, I'm going to try to stop hitting the tripod here. But you can see we're just alternating the colors in that order. And then you'll want to stop every few seconds. Depending on how you want your design, you might want to tighten the thread up. If you want it a looser braid, you can leave it. But you're just going to alternate those 3 colors in the braided style. And you're going to do that until you get it the length that you want it. So depending on if you're giving it to a grown-up or a kid and how big of a wrist they have, that will depend on how big you make your bracelet. So you can see that I've made my braid, and I'm going to make this for a kid, so I'm going to make it pretty short. So I'm going to stop, and I'm going to stop the video, and then I'm going to show you how we're going to tie it at the end. Okay, so at the end you have all the string left. You're just going to tie it in a knot. So you're going to wrap it around, bring it down to the end of your braid. Ooh, better do this on camera. And you're going to tie the knot right at the end of your braid. Then you're going to take the part that you taped, take the tape up, and you're going to tie that knot as well. And then depending on how long you cut your string, you're probably going to need to cut some off. So I have a lot of string left on this side, so I'm going to cut some off. Alright, so then I have my bracelet. So then when you put it on your hand, you'll tie the string together to put on your hand like that. So I know it's kind of hard to explain how to braid, especially when I'm not sure what colors you have. But if this video wasn't clear, feel free to look up another video online or directions online, or find a book about friendship bracelets. And like I said, there's so many different kinds of friendship bracelets you can make, lots more complicated designs. So if you want to experiment, feel free, and we hope you guys have fun with these friendship bracelets.